Welcome to Money Control. Today we have with us Sadia Khatib, who's been raising applause for her performance in The Diplomat opposite John Abraham. She's also worked in movies with Vidhu Vinod Chopra and Akshay Kumar in the past. Let's get talking to the actress herself. Welcome to Money Control, Sadia. I'm Sarika Sharma, the editor, Entertainment Money Control.
Thank you so much
Hi.
for.
Sadia, you being loved for your role of Uzma Ahmed in The Diplomat. So, how was the process? How did you actually conceive it and how did you do it?
Thank you so much. Have you seen this one?
Yeah, no, I have seen bits.
You've seen it.
Yeah.
Basically, no, I tested for it. I got a call for an audition. I
Hmm.
tested for it. Then my director shared the script with me. But once I read it, I was pretty surprised by the easy character this was. I knew for the fact that right after reading this, and this is something that will give me a lot of playground. Uh, so yeah, that's how I landed the role, and I was more than happy to be a part of it.
So you're receiving a lot of love. It's a different kind of love that you've received from your first two movies,
Yeah.
be it Raksha Bandhan or the 2020 movie Mr. Vinod Chopra. So how has this love been now since we're not in the lockdown part and when you started it was a lockdown actually.
Yeah. Oh, love is truly special. You whether you
Yeah,
receive it during lockdown or you receive it now. The
yeah,
fact that now people are really appreciating my work. Now they are
yeah.
the larger perspective is something. First, for the first two films, when they give you love, it's like okay, she's a new girl, and give her love for what she's done just now. But then when you give love for something like this, I for the larger audiences, it definitely feels sure, it definitely feels good. I mean, I am still trying to process this whole thing. I'm still so overwhelmed by this, whatever has happening. I'm still like looking out for the what's next, like what's tomorrow happening, what are people saying. I'm still reading out all the comments. I'm still reading all the, I'm still reading every story that they're posting every.
Yeah. And you've spoken a lot about, you've been born and brought up in Kashmir, though you're originally from Badarwa, but you've been born and brought up in Jammu. So how was it different from the two cities if we compare? You're from Kashmir and then to a bigger city, Mumbai, which is commercial and which is very fast paced. How was that life?
Honestly, my upbringing uh, was from Jammu.
Yeah.
That's where I did my schooling and my college. I'm basically from Badaba. That's
Mm.
also our holiday home, a house, a family home, a family everything lives there. Then Bombay happened to me for my work. So the
Yeah.
first job that I've ever done was Shikara. Before that,
Yeah.
I even served my own plate. Not getting like as in the, the first job that I did in my entire life was Bombay. So obviously your jobs are full of hustle and fuzz and excitement and money and so many exciting things. Whatever I learned in life, Bombay has taught.
Yeah.
And I also truly feel the best pleasure that you get in life is while you work.
Yeah.
I'm one of those people जिनका pleasure उनके काम से उनको मिले. So for me,
Mm.
to put me in the mountain, or take me to Europe and make me see the entire world and not be as happy as I'll be happier being somewhere in the corner doing work. So
Yeah.
me, whatever I receive, मेरी जिंदगी बॉम्बे ने मुझे दी है. So I love this place. So
And
when
how did you?
you talk about Kashmir and how you're living in Bombay, अरे I'm more than happy. I love यहाँ के potholes. I love यहाँ का pollution. I love the traffic. I love the matchbox homes. I love everything about it because this place has given me
Yeah.
work.
Yeah, that's so true. I mean, really appreciating it. And how was it working with stalwarts? Like to begin with, I actually watched your interview. Also, you spoke about how you landed this role in Shikara with Vinod Chopra ji's video call. I remember you'd spoken about. So, how was it working with him? How was your first experience working with such a big director and producer?
I've always said this that working with BC is like working in an institution. It's like full on acting school. So whatever I learned about acting in this business actually was while I was working with him. So my experience with this is unique. They also keep telling me, Sadia, magical, what do you go back to on sets of Shikara? I will not even think. If you tell me to work again with VC and take 10 other projects, I'll drop it, 10 other projects and go back on VC instead. For me, this is that special, to be honest. I'm
How
saying
sweet.
on record that I can, I can do whatever it takes to go back to those years of my life where I was working with him like that because nothing, I can't compare anything to the most beautiful feeling of being so pure, like a child on a set under his under his guidance and under his. It is beautiful.
Yeah, you've worked with, the biggest names. PC, then Akshay, now John. How was it? These three names, the biggest names in the industry, and you
How
worked them.
and
Yeah.
for no, I mean I've worked, yeah, privileged. I felt I'm honored, I'm privileged because while you work with these people who have worked for all these years and have achieved so much, you as a small fish only learn.
Yeah.
You only learn. I only observe them. I only learn. I only see. Oh, there is. You can be at okay. Now this is. He was what? How old was he? He was while he was shooting the film. More than me, he had energy. I was 20. He might be some 60 or something, and he was running on stairs and going from here and there, holding the entire direction department. And I would be like, मेरे में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है आप में कहाँ से आती है that is really so strong.
Yeah.
Akshay sir. Now when you we all know about his
Yeah, routine.
ethics and everything, but dude, this is your 100th film. You've done so much and you're such a big superstar. How are you so humble?
Mm.
You're so considerate about other people.
Yeah.
How do you care? How do you look at like in my head if you become this if you become Akshay Kumar, it's not a joke to be Akshay Kumar.
Mm.
तुम तो
Mm.
देखते ही इंसान को तुम पूरी दुनिया में मगन हो बट ऐसे कैसे हो कि आप देख रहे हो अगले बंदे को आप पता आप
Mm.
you're so heart with the other person.
Yeah. Yeah.
And for John Abraham, sir, it's not a joke to survive in this industry for all these
Mm.
years. And
Mm.
still, he doesn't leave the set as long as take is happening. You can give your shot and then walk off, but you're there. He was there throughout the other person was giving. He was there for the other person's scene. He's there for the other person's line. He's there to
Oh.
grab, make the, to bring the best out of the scene. He doesn't leave you like you do your job and I'm gone. He's there. So he's so hardworking. So when you see these people who have worked on these projects and they've achieved so much in life and still these small qualities which are huge, they really need something on it to impact it. So no, now I know even if I'm 70, even if I'm 80, I will also try to embody that. That I
Yeah.
will work as hard as VC does. Even if tomorrow, inshallah, if God wills, that I become even close to Akshay Sir's stardom, I know I will also be as humble. I'll try to be as humble as he's with me. Even if I
Yeah.
go even close to John Sir's career, what he has achieved in his career, I'll also be as passionate and as generous with my co-stars. So, while you're working with these really big actors and directors, and
Mm.
you will learn something. And I think,
Yeah.
yeah, that's what I try. I'm trying. I hope I do.
So, Sadia, you began with this role of Shanti in Shikara, and then there was a small gap which you did Raksha Bandhan. So, was there a leaner period where you felt that, nahi yaar, ab now that the lockdown has happened, so what next after Shikara?
So I'll tell you, Shikara released in February 2020. Lockdown
Hmm.
happened in March.
March. Yeah.
A month lockdown happened. Now lockdown happened, the entire country was not working.
Yeah.
Okay, entire country was not. So it was not just you who was working.
Yeah. Hmm.
But then second lockdown happened when few people started working, and
Hmm.
one of them was Akshay Sir and Akshay Sir and Anand Sir. So
Okay.
I started working with them. Okay, so
Oh,
I was
okay.
apparently working, safe space. When Raksha Bandhan released in August, on September I was on set with Johnson doing the Diplomat.
Diplomat.
I was
Acha.
working then also. It took
Okay.
me some time to release the film, 1.5 or 2 years, whatever. But here I am. I always had hope that one day the Diplomat will come out. It will come out. One day people will. So God has always kept me at the edge. I always
Hmm.
had hope to love someone look at it. If I didn't shot, I would have been like, "Itna time ho gaya hai." I would have packed my bag and left. But you don't leave me, you don't let me pack my bags and go. You're like,
Yeah.
there is a film coming out. That phase when the film is not releasing till the film you've shot is a difficult phase because you don't know whether I can now. I don't know if Diplomat will do well or no. If I'll be appreciated or should I take whatever is coming, which is maybe something I don't want to do, or should I just wait and not? I chose the latter. I preferred waiting. But that journey is not as easy as it sounds.
Yeah.
Every day you're just sitting at home and waiting for your film to come out, or you're just waiting for the right job to come. But honestly, this is what it is.
From Shikara, Raksha Bandhan, now Diplomat, how life has actually changed. Every every movie, with every movie, I would say.
Sad, but you
Okay.
go to your destination. Sad, but
And and after Diplomat, what is it that you see? That's a
I'm
drastic change
really
that you've seen.
Sarika, I'm really looking forward to do good roles, like really good
Mm.
scripts I want to be a part of. I really want to showcase my diversity. I really want to be out there, and I really want to see. I feel our industry has a room for everyone. I just want to find
Mm-hmm.
a place.
Mm.
The idea is only to land good projects. Yeah.
And what are your next projects you're eyeing for? Like, what do you see? I mean, you've also done a family drama. You've done.
Something that can surprise audiences, something that can challenge me, something that I will enjoy doing. Yeah, that's it.
Mm. And how are your rosas going on? How's it
Lovely,
with
lovely.
work? With work, how you been managing?
I thought I will not be able to manage, but Alhamdulillah, I did. I,
Okay. And what are your Eid plans? How's the? Is it here in Mumbai or you going back?
actually, not only my family is here, my cats are here.
Okay.
Celebrating here.
And you in your interview once you said that before signing for VC's project, your father was like you said that I would always do what my father said. So now how has your father's reaction been? Has he changed?
He-
Has he made you independent? Huh?
Since he sent me for Shikara, since then to now,
Mm-hmm.
he's my biggest support. My father
Ah,
reads my scripts. He knows my
okay,
he he
okay.
loves what I do. He's my
Uh-huh.
full time guidance. There is
Uh-huh.
nothing in my life I do
Yeah.
without my dad knowing it.
Yeah, that's really nice. So I would want to just know a bit about Akshay's style of work and John's style of work. What was that when you
There is
were working with him as a newcomer?
there's a similarity about both of them, which is their passion. But
Hmm.
I've worked with both of them on two different sets.
Hmm. Yeah.
So with Akshay sir, the center and the crux of the film was entirely family, and
Hmm.
family oriented. And with Johnson, it was very serious.
Hmm.
So both of them have same ethics. Both of them are extremely. The reason they are friends is because they are amazingly beautiful human beings, and they are too good with their work. And
Yeah.
that's how we know how they are successful. But because the products were different, the sets were different, the story was different, the projects were different. So their approach towards each character was absolutely different.
And do you also want to work in a comedy film or a horror comedy as the flavor is right now? Horror
I would love,
comedies or
I would love
and which character would you want to play?
Monjurita. I mean, I can. Now that you're telling, I'm thinking of it. I would love to do that. It's such a dream to play horror.
I
Be a
mean,
good host. I can be a good ghost. Sorry, not a
oh,
host.
all the best, Sadia.
See, I am telling you, I promise you, the moment I get a good opportunity of playing a horror ghost, I'll grab it and you will see the finest of booth in your window.
Yeah,
I promise
yeah.
you,
So
my
next Bhool Bhulaiya is Sadia. Sadia's Bhool
these
Bhulaiya.
directors and producers.
Surely. Thank you, Sadia. Have a wonderful day and year ahead. Thank you.